A culinary journey like no other. Alma Resort and Zazen Travel's immersive food tour in Vietnam. As seasoned travelers know, some of the most unforgettable journeys begin not with a landmark, but with a flavor. Featured recently in an insightful piece by Alexandra Caspero on MSN News, the Alma Resort on Vietnam's stunning Cam Ranh Peninsula has partnered with boutique agency Zazen Travel to launch an extraordinary culinary immersion, a journey through culture and cuisine. This isn't your typical food tour. It's a full sensory experience deeply rooted in Vietnam's rich traditions and warm hospitality. From bustling markets to serene mango farms, ancient temples to seaside cooking classes, this journey goes far beyond the plate. One traveler who experienced this firsthand is Curtis Finstad, CEO of Natural Nine Luxury Travel, who shared, I felt incredibly lucky to immerse myself in Vietnam's fantastic food and culture. Alma Resort is exceptional, and Zazen Travel is an invaluable addition, providing tours that make you feel special, educate you, and offer unbelievable tastes from local fresh ingredients. I highly recommend Zazen Travel to all my clients.